Hello dear ones, you are welcome in Vandana Trivedi's online class. Today we will discuss about COVID-19 under Spoken English class part 3. See, all of us we know it very well that we are suffering with this pandemic. It has disturbed the entire world. Not even a single country or you can say state that is untouched with it. So what is required? Actually, this is a situation of emergency. So what we should do in emergency? We should try to abide by whatever our government, our you can say doctors and others they suggest us. See, first of all, we should wear a mask, that is quite essential, but we should not use it while running or while you can say taking brisk walk or while doing exercise because that is harmful. We should use gloves, okay? As far as possible, we should try to avoid going outside. Suppose if I have got very urgent piece of work, naturally I will go, but what I should do, just as precautionary measure, first of all I will make a list and I will try to just go at one place and from there only I will try to execute my things. One thing, as far as payment and other things are concerned, whatever we can do online, we should try to do. So these are the very simplest methods. Suppose if we are compelled or forced to join some other place, okay, public place, so we should maintain a distance, okay. While talking, we should try to speak within the mask. We should touch anything, and suppose even if we touch, for example, we have to sign. So what precautionary measure we do? We always keep, okay, liquid with us because we cannot wash our hands, okay. So after using pen and this, we use liquid and after that we rub it. It is alright. So you can say knobs, doors and other places which are frequently touched by one and all, that should be sterilized, that should be purified. Purification, actually it is nothing but purification, and purification is a preventive measure. So we should try to abide by all the norms and laws which has been just referred by or you can say instructed by our government, our medical team, okay, because if we don't pay attention, if we don't pay heed to these things, naturally the way it is just now see, as it is spreading, there will be a day when no one will survive. So now there is question of our survival. So in order to survive, for the safety of one's life, one must try to abide by all the norms, all the instructions. First one, make use of mask. Next one, wear gloves. Okay, and whatever clothes we wear, we go outside, the moment we come, we should try to just off them, and after, if possible, we should try to take a bath. If not, after washing hand and feet, we should try to change our clothes. We should not try to touch places at public place, and we should try to avoid going unnecessarily. We should not just try to be very much social. This now, what is required for our safety to be unsocial. We can just greet others, we can thank others by using digital world. There is digital world with us, so we can maintain distance like this. But people, they are educated, they know it very well, but even after that they arrange just big parties and they call people, people join them, and due to this so many persons are infected. That's why just see temples, even temples are closed. Now you can understand what is the reason behind it. So we should try to be abide by all these norms. Otherwise a day will come, there will be no one on this earth. So prevention is always better than cure. We have to apply certain preventive measures. And apart from that, we should try to boost up our immunity. Okay, there are so many things, making use of lemon and other citrus fruits. Okay, sipping lukewarm water. Just avoiding all these cold items, for example, ice cream and other things, cold drinks. At the place of these things, we should try to take liquids, kadhas, that should be what? That should be lukewarm. We should try to just consume as much water we can. Try to take healthy food, fresh food, and food which is easily digestible. We should try to avoid non-veg and the things which are very spicy, okay, and oily. So we should try to avoid these things. Taking exercise regularly, doing yogas, meditation, asanas, all these things will help us a lot. So by taking care of all these small things, we can avoid it. And one thing, just in this era, who is the wealthiest person? The person who is safe. Who is the safest one? Who is the wealthiest person? The person who is the safest one. So if you are safe, you are the most wealthy person in the world. So we should try to take care of all these things. Dear children, listen to this. Try to understand, try to analyze, and try to just think and rethink over it. Again we will be joining with some other lessons, with some other things, as I thought that it is the most urgent need of our. That's why I have come with this issue. Thank you and have a nice day. Keep learning, keep enjoying. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Take care.